How to log out of Messenger account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can log out of your Messenger account. Now as you know, on Messenger you'll get the option to switch accounts or add another account, but you won't be able to log out of your account. Now here is a simpler way on how you can log out of your Messenger account. Simply scroll down your notification bar and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, and once you scroll all the way down below until you find the option apps. Now once on apps, what you want to do is from the search bar search in for Messenger. Now once you search in for Messenger, it should pop up here, and scroll down. If you are on iPhone, you want to upload the app. However, if you are on Android, what you want to do is you want to head into storage, and here at the bottom of the screen you'll find the clear data option, and tap on clear data and simply delete it. Once you do this, all your account will be logged out. Now if I head back into Messenger, if I open it up, you can see that I've been logged out of all my account here. So this way you can log out of Messenger account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.